Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this album cover trend of your friends. It's very easy to do, and here's an example right here. So guys, as you can see, that is the album cover trend, or making anything into an album cover, whatever you want to call this trend on TikTok. It's very cool. I made my own on my personal account, and I actually did a favor for one of my subscribers. So that's the example we're going to be editing today in today's video. Before we do get into anything though, if you could go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, it would mean a ton, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. That is the end goal. I really want to get a YouTube play button. That'd be the sickest thing ever, like 100k plaque. So please help me out with that goal and hit that subscribe button. It means the world. Okay, so in today's tutorial, you will not be needing a computer. I know everyone that watches my videos, or the most people that do, are on iPhone, and I've gotten to understand this, and that's why most of my tutorials now will only be using phones, just because that's the preferred device that most people are using. So yes, if you have a phone, that's all you need. You don't need a computer or anything like that. So on your phone, you're gonna need to download two separate apps, one for editing the album cover and the other for editing the video together. Those two apps are called PicsArt and Videoleap. Okay, so once you have those two apps downloaded, the next thing you want to do is go and find some funny videos of you and your friends and gather those up. The more the better, just so you have a better selection to choose from. I'd also recommend that videos of you doing something of a action are a lot better than videos of, like, let's just say your face, just because it makes the album cover look a lot better or funnier or whatever you're going for. So definitely get more like action videos of you and your friends when you're gathering those videos. Okay, so once you have all your videos gathered that you want to use in the TikTok, I would recommend that you find anywhere from 2 to around 5. Anything more than that, you're going to have to shorten the video down, because unfortunately the sound for this trend is only 23 seconds. This is kind of a problem I ran into later in the tutorial. I added way too many videos, so I had to make it really shortened down to it fit that 23-second time restraint. Okay, so once you have your videos, all you want to do is go and take a screenshot when you want to make that album cover, and you want to do that for every single one of your videos. For example, here's where I took the screenshot for this video, and that is what I want the album cover to be. Okay, so once that's done, you want to go and open the app up, PicsArt. It may require you to make an account if you don't already have one, so just make an account. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything. Once you make your account, you want to hit that purple button with the plus at the bottom of the screen, and then you want to scroll down until you see the drawings tab, and then you want to hit pick canvas, and then you want to make sure you're on 1125x2436, that size restraint, and you want to make sure it's just white. You can choose to have a different background color, but I personally think that white looks the best for these album covers. Then you want to hit the right arrow at the top of the screen, and bam, you want to hit the right arrow again and then edit image. And then once you're on this screen right here, what you want to do is go to add photo and find that photo that you took a screenshot of in the action video. So this is my photo right here. And then what you want to do is crop that photo down by hitting the square option. Then you can adjust it to however you like and hit apply at the top. The next thing you want to do is add an effect to this picture. So you just want to scroll to the right, go to effects, and then you want to scroll and find noise. And that is by far the best effect that you can put for the album cover. I've seen other videos where people use different effects, but personally I think noise looks the best. So then you want to hit apply, and then lastly you want to find that parental advisory warning. So what you can do is click the white background, and then the different options will show up at the bottom. And then what you want to do is hit sticker, and then in sticker just search the word advisory, and then you want to select the 4th sticker or the 2nd row 1st column. Once you select that, it will bring it to the screen, and then you just want to adjust it and put it down to the bottom right. And then bam, you are done. Hit apply, then next, and then you can hit save at the bottom of the screen, and that is going to be your album cover picture, and you're almost done. So the next thing you want to do is open up the app Video Leap, which is how you're going to compile all these videos together. And like I said before, the sound is only 23 seconds, so make sure your video is no longer than 23 seconds. I would even recommend just doing like 20 seconds so you can kind of have an intro of your face at the beginning. Say like, oh hey, this is an album cover of All My Friends. I don't know, that's what they do in the trend. So once you're on Video Leap, what you want to do is hit the plus icon in the middle of the screen and then add the video that you want, and then the album cover, and then the video, and then the album cover, and then the video, and then the album cover, and keep doing that until you added everything onto the timeline. And then once everything is on the timeline, you just want to adjust the clips by clicking the white arrows and adjust it to however long you would like it. And just keep doing that with every single clip. It's a little tedious, but once you're finished that, you can then export that video and it will save it to your camera roll. And then once you're done that, you can bring it over to TikTok. And if you use this green screen video effect, you can just play the video. Just make sure it's not facing your face or else your face will get in the way, and you can just record it and bam, that is it. You can post the video, upload it to TikTok. That is the full tutorial on how you guys do this trend. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer them for you. Also, if you guys are new, please do subscribe to the channel as it helps out so much more than I think you guys could imagine. Hitting 100,000 subscribers has been my ultimate goal for so long, so if you guys could help me with that, I would really appreciate it. Anyways, have a great rest of your day, guys. See ya later.
Stay so